In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Udemy without using one-time passwords or OTP. This can be a helpful guide if you're looking to streamline your login process. Let's get started and follow each step carefully for a smooth experience. To begin your journey, open your web browser and head over to Google. Once there, in the search bar, you simply need to type in Udemy and press enter. Doing this will ensure you find the most relevant and official link to Udemy's site. As the results populate, look for the link titled Udemy Courses on Demand, Udemy TM official site. Make sure it's the official link to avoid any unwanted detours. Now, with Udemy's homepage open, locate the Login button. It's typically in the upper right section of the screen. Clicking on this will bring you to the login page, where several options to sign in will be presented. Here, choose the method that suits you best for logging in. Today, let's use Google as our login option. This is a popular and secure choice for many, as it often bypasses the need for OTP when configured correctly. After selecting Google, you'll be prompted to continue through a familiar sign-in flow. Click on the Continue button to proceed. This usually appears after selecting your Google account. It's an essential step, and it signals to Udemy exactly which account you'll be using. Upon successfully logging in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your Udemy landing page. Hover your mouse over your profile icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, find and click on Account Settings. This area is crucial as it holds the option to manage your login preferences. In your account settings, scroll down until you find Multi-Factor Authentication. You'll spot an option to disable it. Click on Disable and a confirmation will be needed to finalize this change. By doing so, you'll no longer be prompted to enter an OTP during login, simplifying your access route. All that's left to do is to confirm your choice. Once you click Confirm, you'll automatically be logged out as a security measure. This is to ensure that after modifying such an important setting, your login session refreshes. And there you have it. Following these steps, you've successfully adjusted your Udemy account to log in without OTP. It's a small tweak, but it can streamline your experience significantly. Feel free to log back in using the updated settings and enjoy accessing your courses with ease. Remember, security is still important, so keep your account details safe as you explore countless learning opportunities on Udemy.